Rise MMS welcomes you to the inauguration of the theme installation 2015-16. The students are ready for the gathering. The chief guests have arrived for the program. The event starts with a prayer song. Mr. Prabhu, the principal, welcomes the gathering and the chief guests. Correspondent presents a memento to the chief guest, Mr. Sivasubramanian. The SPL welcomes the correspondent, Mr. Meru. Ms. Akshaya welcomes the senior principal, Dr. Nevis Jayachitra. Mr. Meru and Mr. Sivasubramanian address the gathering, following with the theme song of the school.
Every year, we have this day where we install the theme for the year. All the activities, or most of the activities, should be centered around that theme. Aspiration is much beyond your profession, much beyond your education. Sometimes, most of the times I would even say, it should center around even after our life. That is what we want to aspire. Aspiration is a word which we use. For the last 15 years, we have been using this word, aspiration, because this is one of the core values of our school. In fact, this is the first value of our school is aspiration. You should aspire.
From darkness to light we fly. We step our ways to high, still high. It's from darkness to light we fly. We step our ways to high, still high. Giving love to all, giving joy to all, giving love to all, giving joy to all. With the twinkling stars of Christ and the man. With the twinkling stars of Christ and the man.
So what is aspiration? Aspiration is what you dream about your future. Everyone should have a dream. I should become such a person. I should be engineer. I should be a doctor. I should be a professional athlete. Like that, everyone should have a dream. Our former President Abdul Kalam said, you dream, that is the way to reach goal. But don't dream while you sleep. Dream while you are awake. The dream, what you had, should not keep you sleeping in a sleeping condition. You should always be awake to reach the goal. That was the advice given by Dr. Abdul Kalam. So by aspiring, you are getting an ability to set goals for your future.
The theme board was received and installed by the SPL of the school. The theme aspiration was inaugurated by Mr. Meru and the ASPL of the school. Following with the oath reading,
pledge on this day that I aspire to have a great ambition, a measurable goal, a strong desire to strive towards a greater knowledge and to rise high. I aspire to create a life filled with peace and love. I do everything I can. I commit myself to positive thinking. I aspire to be a better person for myself, my family, the organization, and the community.
It keeps us eternally climbing upward towards an unattained goal. Set clear goals and make written plans for each part of your life. Once again, I thank one and all present here. Thank you.
If you can dream it, you can do it. So come join and aspire with us.